Right, hello everyone, I'm at Anfield. Just come around to see if there's any movement on the terrace and that's on the ground, but there's not. Yeah, I'll turn you around and have a look. It was dead quiet a minute ago, now there's something going on over there. So here's all the terrace in here, and it's still there, nothing going on. But what's that black thing there? Anyone know what that is? It's about 15 foot. Yeah, about 15 foot long. Don't know what it is. If anyone's got any ideas, let me know. Try and get a closer look at it there. Right. That's it. It's well wrapped up so you can't really tell. It looks like a scoreboard, but it won't be because Jürgen didn't want them. I've just worked out what it is. It's a scoreboard. Pretty sure it'll be a scoreboard. You can't see the scoreboard from the back of the Anfield Road. The roof comes down too much and you can't see it. Pretty sure you can't when I had a look. So that'll probably get anchored to the underside of the roof, maybe, on the Anfield Road, so people can see the scoreboard. Stewards also need to see scoreboard as well to see what the time when they have to do the up tolls down the stairs and that. So yeah, pretty sure it's a scoreboard. Alright, back to the video. But yeah, all the terracing down here. And so move away from the noise. Even though there's loads of noise, it's still a fairly quiet site. I can't see much going on, but I'll take a walk along and have a look. A little bit of plant on the move, little dumper truck. And get out of its way. Be stopping while people go past. Look at the wall. That wall comes right down, that you know. Oh. See it there? Oh, right the way around. Trying to keep the fence out. Yeah. But we're almost there on this. I say it's mostly like landscaping and stuff like that now. You know what, I'll walk down to where the Forever Stones are. Every time I work I see me, they're hiding. Oh, turn you back around again. Well, Lee fits mine. There's a big problem coming from the aftermath of that. Don't know if you heard that. There's a worker behind me on the phone to someone, and something's gone wrong. And then he says, I said, I didn't hear what had gone wrong. And then he went, the big problem is the aftermath after that. So I don't know what's happened. Hopefully it's just nothing too serious. yeah, it's looking really good. We're going to walk past so you can hear we're going any more of that conversation. So that big gate there, while it's open, it's obviously getting used as storage, but that's going to be the indoor fan zone. It looks massive in there. Yeah, on hold, there's not a lot to see. There's quite a bit of work going on, but there's nothing, I don't know, not enough major change, if that makes any sense. No. Can't be bothered putting the drone up today. As I was going to go put the drone up if there's any movements on that terracing, but there's not, so I'll leave it for now. Anyway, what's going on over there? I'll zoom in as much as I can. It's not a very good zoom on this. Oh, is it it's a lamp post or something going in, isn't it? Or some sort of post going in? Oh yeah, they're all the way around, yeah, they're just, yeah, it's alright, not a major. Right, going to get round, see what these guys are doing over here. Ah, they're putting curbstones in, so let's get close on it. Let's get education on how to do it. Very straight. Let's come round this way. Watch your back, here's a van. So let's try and get a better angle here. Yeah, there they are doing that there. What they're for. So that's me done here, guys. Just a little ground look, little, you know, update from the ground to see how it's getting on. It's a shame the road's not open so we can go and have my hair blown. I need to shave it off again, do my head in. Too much maintenance. Yeah, just a little bit of look at the ground. If the road was open then I'd be able to take a walk along, but obviously it's a building site and you can't do that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like here, subscribe, helps me out. Helps the channel out, and comments, I always reply to the comments and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. But let me know if you don't like it, but only in the comments, don't give it a thumbs down. Speak to you all soon, bye now.